Nakakalungkot naman, Darren Espanto, sinugod sa hospital sa Makati Medical Center. So, ibig sabihin guys, nandito na rin lahat ang mga artista sa Pinas. Tulad ng Kim Pao. Sa post naman ni Darren, nakakalungkot kasi nga ay on the way to the operating room siya ngayon. Ayon nga sa kanya, from the airport to the hospital, sabi ko sa inyo, grabe ang plot twist nangyari sa akin. Nagkaroon si Darren ng appendicitis. Suddenly hit during my flight back to Manila and was supposed to be back on Showtime today. But emergencies happened. And shout out to my family and friends who have prayed for me. Kansilado na rin ang ganap ni Darren sa Samar dahil sa kanyang pagkakaroon ng opera. To the producers of the shows, and I was supposed to be part of in the next few days, but I'm so sad to have a cancel so last minute. I hope to work with you all soon pa rin po. Thank you so much for understanding. So, ayan yung pahayag ni Darren sa kanyang IG story. Pagaling ka, Darren. Grabe ang plot twist naman for today's video ayon sa kanya.